Navigating the waters can be complex, especially when it comes to understanding the roles of hospital, power, and factory ships. These vessels are essential to maritime operations, and knowing how to interact with them is crucial for safe navigation. First, let's define these ships. Hospital ships are equipped to provide medical care and support during emergencies, often marked with a red cross. Power ships, on the other hand, are floating power plants that generate electricity, usually for remote areas or during disasters. Factory ships are essentially floating factories, processing fish or other resources right at sea. Each of these ships has specific characteristics that set them apart, and recognizing them is the first step to safe navigation. Now, let's talk about the lights and shapes that these ships display. Hospital ships typically show a white light at night and may have a distinctive shape, often with a red cross prominently displayed. Power ships usually have a combination of navigation lights that indicate their operational status, while factory ships often display fishing lights when they're actively processing. Understanding these signals is vital for identifying the type of ship you're dealing with and determining how to navigate around them safely. When it comes to overtaking rules, the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea, or COLREGs, provide clear guidelines. If you're approaching a hospital ship, you must give way. These vessels are often engaged in critical operations, and their ability to maneuver may be limited. The same applies to power ships. They may be tethered to underwater cables or equipment, making them less responsive. Always approach with caution and ensure you have a clear path before overtaking. Crossing rules are equally important. If you find yourself on a collision course with a factory ship, remember that they are often restricted in their ability to maneuver. According to the COLREGs, if you're on a power-driven vessel and you see a factory ship displaying fishing lights, you must keep clear. This is not just a matter of courtesy, it's a matter of safety. The last thing you want is to disrupt their operations or, worse, cause an accident. In summary, understanding the unique characteristics of hospital, power, and factory ships is essential for safe navigation. Always be aware of their lights and shapes, and adhere to the overtaking and crossing rules established by maritime regulations. By doing so, you contribute to a safer maritime environment for everyone. Remember, knowledge is your best tool on the water, so stay informed and navigate wisely.